Alright, just picked up a goldfish from PetSmart. It's a weird looking goldfish. Doesn't look like a regular goldfish, but I'll take it. I think it's a special goldfish. Look at that. It's gonna grow so big in this tank. Look at that goldfish. See if I can zoom in and get a nice look. What a beautiful goldfish. All jokes aside, this is a blood parrot in a temporary tank. I'm gonna get something bigger for it soon, at least like a 20 or 30 gallon. As we can see, it's shy because it's in a small tank. Once I get in a bigger tank, it'll open up its personality pretty soon. Should be better. And blood parrots are nice because they're very personable, and they're also little feisty little fellas because they've got some red devil and Midas. I believe it's a red devil and a Severum that's mixed. Very pretty goldfish. I think it's a female, but I'm gonna name this one Tangerine.